Okay.
Does one of you want to do it this way? Lenny, the first one.
Kelsey or Oscar?
Yes.
You want to do it?
Yeah. Because we only have 3, so maybe one. We do one and you will do the other one, okay? Okay, so you put the top on the top. Actually, that one is not very good. Not good for quality control, this one, yeah? Nice one.
No, I'm good for quality control.
Okay, so we're going to take this one. Sometime when sorry, it's waiting a little bit. That look good?
Yeah, it's good. It's perfect.
Top on the top.
Smiley on TV.
And flip it. Go down, go down. Your right hand goes down. No sticking, excellent. Upside down, really good.
That's the sauce coming out of it.
You gotta be fast.
Please do it.
The pesto is too liquid.
Yeah, so that one has to be quick.
And this is important to know that
Because we
pesto
bought
is too liquid.
Because I wanted to make it easy. But the problem is like the oil is in the bottom, we have to filter it or something. I'm
Yeah.
gonna try to strain it.
Because the other problem you're going to have, don't forget that the plate is going to be inclined like this, so your pesto will go to the front. Okay? Next.